Ready to snag that next killer skin and make your opponents jealous? Let's turn that Google Play gift card into Valorant Points. First, launch Valorant and log into your account. Head over to the Valorant Points purchase page, typically located at the top right corner of the main screen. It looks like a little VP symbol. Give that button a click. Now you'll see a variety of VP packages you can buy. Pick the one that matches your Google Play gift card balance. If you don't have enough for the exact amount of VP you want, consider purchasing a smaller amount or combining gift cards. On the payment method screen, find and choose Google Play Balance as your way to pay. It's usually listed with the Google Play Store logo. A Google Play window will pop up showing your current balance and asking to confirm the purchase. Double-check the amount to make sure you're buying the right VP package. Hit that buy or confirm button. You might need to enter your Google account password or use biometric authentication like a fingerprint scan to verify the transaction. Once the payment goes through, Valorant will display a confirmation message. Your newly acquired Valorant points will be instantly added to your account. Now you can browse the in-game store and treat yourself to those amazing skins, weapon buddies, or battle pass. Enjoy your new gear and dominate the competition. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Valorant tips and tricks.